And after a day's work in cabinets and getting the cabinets in on the floors, this is what we have. This is the beginning. He has to come back tomorrow. We're going to start doing finished stuff. Handles, knobs, you know, getting the doors a little bit squarer than what they are, get them to soft close appropriately. But as you can see, look at that. Look at that balance. It's a beautiful thing. We had to chop it down some, but it looks great. We have over here the large pantry. I am very excited for that. Whole lot of stuff can fit back in there. And yes, I did put our one bottle that we have right now into our wine rack area. And down below, we've got our other little cabinet there. Nice thing with the large pantry, you can see the two rollouts so that you can get to them nice and easy. Anything that's down on the lower, that will be good. The same goes for over here under these cabinets. I don't have any handles on, so I got to reach from the bottom. And yes, two rollouts there as well. Pots and pans. Won't be digging in the back for pots and pans anymore. That is a plus. So everything's looking good. Got the stove and refrigerator back in place. Gonna let him finish up tomorrow, and then after he finishes up tomorrow, I'll get the situation figured out for the dishwasher, because it's probably gonna be about 2, maybe 3 weeks until the countertops get in. Tomorrow I will also be working as soon as he leaves, and he should be done by the afternoon, working on this area to get this knocked down to be the same height as the countertops, as the cabinet, so that the countertop can go straight in and just flow right through. We'll see what that looks like. Can't think of anything else. Pretty much finished, not finished, but almost finished project in the kitchen with the cabinets being done. And also the plus is we had to get that down. Had to get the that little insert, light insert down, so it is down. That means we will have to work on that sooner rather than later. Get that extended and get the cove done and everything nice and neat in there. It does open up, not having that in there, it opens up the kitchen a bit. So it feels a little bit more spacious by having that headroom without the plastic coving that was going on and everything. That's nice. That's it. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow.